Whenever we do a segment featuring a recipe that's cooked in a foil pouch, we always get requests to create more. And I get it. After all, they're easy to assemble, fun to eat, and simple to clean up. That's why we're sharing a new foil packet recipe featuring a state fair favorite, sausage, peppers, and onions. And it goes together like this. We begin by tearing 4 pieces of heavy-duty aluminum foil, so they're about 12 inches square. Then we cut red and green bell pepper into strips and place them in a bowl along with some thinly sliced onion and a few spices. Now for the assembly, we place a quarter of the veggies onto the center of each piece of foil and top them with some Italian sausage that we've cut into chunks. Spoon some spaghetti sauce over it and loosely fold up the foil, making a pouch that's ready to cook in the oven or on the grill. Once they're done, which only takes about 20 minutes, it's up to you to decide whether you want to eat these right out of the foil or dish them up on a crusty roll with a bit of the sauce. Either way, you'll be in for a treat. To get the recipe for what we call State Fair sausage packets, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an easy wrapped up way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.